Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review of this, so I was in my local grocery store, Asian market, because I have a lot of time on my hands right now. So here is, so I don't know what it is, it's all in Japanese, but it looks like a fruit leather. If you guys can read Japanese, let me know. I don't know what this is, but let's open it up and do a quick taste test. I got a whole bunch of these goodies to do videos on, so stay tuned for more, guys, but I'll be opening this up right now. Alright guys, this is not fruit leather. It's fishy smell out of it, and it's definitely not fruit leather, I'll tell you that right now. You guys, and I was wrong about that. I don't know what this thing is. I can't even break off a piece. Like, this thing is like literally like leather. Alright, so I think it's squid, guys. I'm gonna do it right, quick taste test right now. Okay, it is dried squid, guys. That's basically what it is. Not fruit leather, it's a flattened dried squid. If you like dried, like cuttlefish, squid, things like that, you're gonna love this. It has a nice, well, I don't know what nice, but it has a fishy taste to it. It's flavored, slightly salted, not bad. Has a really strong squid taste compared to others. Other than that, it's pretty good. If you check it out, if you have any questions, comments, guys, let's go subscribe to the channel.